Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that combines luxury and practicality for professionals in the beauty and wellness industry. Let's talk about the Master Massage 30-inch full-size Phoenix Therma top portable massage table package, a heated, folding esthetician bed designed for a variety of treatments. Whether you're a massage therapist, esthetician, or beauty professional, this table promises comfort and convenience with a built-in heating element and an ergonomic design. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Master Massage Phoenix Therma Top comes equipped with some impressive features that really set it apart from other portable tables. First up, it boasts a 3-inch thick cushion made of multi-layer small cell foam, plus an additional 1-inch layer of memory foam designed to relieve pressure points. If you're used to working long hours, you'll know how important comfort is. This table seems to promise just that. The heat-sensitive foam, combined with an integrated heating system, ensures you can create a warm, relaxing experience for your clients without the hassle of extra equipment. In terms of size, the table is pretty spacious at 30-inch wide and 84-inch long, providing ample room for clients to stretch out comfortably. You can also adjust the height between 24-inch and 34 inches, which is perfect for accommodating different body types and personal preferences. Despite its size, it's surprisingly lightweight at 34 pounds, making it easy to fold up and transport when needed. The real standout feature is the aircraft-grade steel frame, which supports up to 750 pounds. This ensures that the table is not only durable, but can safely accommodate clients of all sizes. The sturdy frame is paired with European imported beech wood legs, coated with a high-gloss Duraseal finish for added durability. As for the upholstery, it's made from oil and water-resistant PU leather with elegant French stitching, giving the table a professional, sleek look that's easy to maintain. I've had the chance to test this table in real-world settings, and I can confidently say it lives up to the claims. The heat feature is a real bonus. Whether you're working with clients in a cold space or just want to enhance the relaxation factor, the built-in heating pad is easy to use and evenly distributes warmth. The memory foam top and ergonomic design made a noticeable difference in comfort during long sessions. Clients seemed more relaxed, and I didn't experience the usual fatigue from being on my feet for hours. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the table offers incredible comfort. The multi-layer foam, combined with the heat element, provides excellent pressure point relief. The adjustable height is also a huge plus, as it lets you customize your setup for optimal ergonomics. Plus, the aircraft-grade steel frame and European wood legs lend a level of sturdiness and elegance that's perfect for any professional setting. However, there are a few things worth considering. While the weight of 34 pounds is manageable, it might still be on the heavier side for those who need to transport the table frequently. Also, while the PU upholstery is durable and resistant to oil and water, over time, like all PU materials, it might show wear and tear if not properly cared for. When it comes to value for money, this table is certainly an investment. It's not the cheapest option out there, but considering the build quality, comfort features, and durability, it's definitely priced in line with high-end portable massage tables. The lifetime limited warranty is a nice touch, adding confidence in the longevity of the product. Compared to other massage tables, the Phoenix Therma Top holds its ground. While there are more affordable options, few tables at this price point offer the same level of comfort, heat functionality, and overall sturdiness. If you're looking for a premium, long-lasting portable table that delivers on both comfort and style, this one could be the right fit. The build quality of this table is impressive. The aircraft-grade steel frame is top tier, and I expect it to last for years with proper care. The PU upholstery also holds up well against daily use, and the ergonomic face pillow and contoured armrest ensure that clients remain comfortable throughout their treatment. On customer support, Master Massage is known for responsive service. While I haven't needed to reach out personally, the lifetime limited warranty speaks volumes about their confidence in the product and their commitment to customer satisfaction. If you're on a budget, but still looking for quality, there are cheaper alternatives available. However, the comfort, Durability and added heating feature of this table make it a solid investment for professionals who need something both functional and comfortable. To sum it all up, the Master Massage Phoenix Therma Top Portable Massage Table Package stands out as a premium option for beauty professionals seeking a durable, comfortable, and reliable table. The heat function and ergonomic design are especially beneficial for those looking to enhance their service offerings. If you're after top-notch comfort and versatility, this table might be the perfect choice. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.